I didn't do it. Shh, I'm here. Shh, I'm here. Born in the soft overcoat quiet of someone's closet, with brothers and sisters so like me, I can't tell where I end and they begin. Shh, please close the door, turn off the light. I'm tired. Being born is very hard work. Shh, shh. No name. Look at me. No name yet. Fluffy? I don't like it. Spot? No spots on me. Rex? No. Rover? No. Jack? No. Roy? No. And no, Bitsy, Riley, Fabio, Percy, Trace, or Willie Moe. No. I want to be called Big Bag Bob. Rules. No lick. No bite. No jump. No bark. No fun. Sit. Stay. Down. I don't like your rules. Here are my rules. Eat all you want. Sleep when you want. On the couch. On the bed. On your silk pillow. Drooling is good. Run off when you want. Across the street. Through the garden is fine. Get muddy. Be happy. Howl! Why I don't like it when you go away. Where are you going? When are you coming back? I don't like thunder. Loud. I shake. The nail clippers. I don't like my feet touched. The vacuum cleaner. I'm leaving. My food. I like yours better. The mailman. Every single day he comes. The baby crying. Why does she do that? The bath. I don't need one. Most of all, I don't like it when you catch me stealing food off the table. 3 times this week I did it. Caught once. Didn't like it. What I like. Round I like. Balls, balloons, bubbles, and orange I hid somewhere. Sweet I like. Jelly beans, cookies, cake crumbs, ice cream, drip from a cone. Gum when I find it on the sidewalk. Water in summer I like. Drinking it, swimming in it, shaking it all over. No, not my bath. Warm in winter I like. My fleece coat, my blanket, a winter fire, your lap. I didn't do it. I didn't do it. I didn't chew your slipper. I don't like the taste of wool. I didn't do it. I didn't eat the buttons off your coat. It was a bird flew in the window. A big bird. It pecked the buttons off and flew away again. I didn't do it. I didn't eat your food. It was the cat who jumped up on the table and dragged your pork chop off. I watched, but it wasn't me. I didn't do it. I didn't bury my bone in the garden under your peony bush. It was the other dog. The hound down the street. His name is Rascal, I think. Not me. Not me. Not me. Rain. I like rain. Things stick to me, like dirt and leaves and grass. I like rain. When I come inside, I like to pull your nice wool sweater off the bed and roll in it. I can dry myself. I don't have to bother you. You'll be proud when you see it on the floor. Good puppy, you'll say. Right? What did I do? did I do? You don't like my present to you? I went outside and caught it myself. I went down a hole. Look! All furry, brown, and white. It's too little to be scary. Wait, where are you going? Come back. Look, it's still alive. It just hopped under your bed. What did I do? You don't like my present to you? Big paws, giant, big legs, trees, big tail, sweep, sweep, big puff puppy. I flop, I gallop, I tumble, I fall. I fell up the couch. I fell up the room. I fell up the car. I fill the sky. Some people think I am too big, too clumsy, but not you. You love my paws. You love my legs. You love my tail. You love me big. Pretty puppy. Pretty puppy, pretty ears, pretty eyes, pretty big white teeth. The pretty puppy touches noses with me. The pretty puppy barks when I bark, at the same time, the same way. How can that be? The pretty puppy wags his tail when I wag mine. Up, down, wag in a circle. The pretty puppy's ears flop like mine. The pretty puppy's tongue has a spot, just like mine. When I go away and come back, guess who's there again? She flies. She flies. She's a puppy, but she can fly. I fly too. Through the brook, past the cows, up over the fence, through the woods, through the mud, through the barn, and out again. Hay sticks to her coat and mine. We race. We run. We fly. One thing, one time. I'm perfect. I know because they tell me so. I never go to the bathroom in the house on the rugs or bedspread or on your plants. Never chew up shoes or the legs of fine chairs. Or your favorite scarf with the pictures of fruits that look so real I can smell them. I only chewed one thing one time. Can't remember what it was. They've forgotten. I'm perfect. Puppy dreams. I can sleep in your hat. I can sleep on the purple velvet pillow on your chair. I can sleep in the cat's bed, if she'd ever let me. You can carry me in your arms, in your pocketbook, in your backpack when we go out, but not for long. I dreamed last night that I was grown. I was too big for your hat, the perfect purple velvet pillow, the cat's bed when she lets me, your arms, your pocketbook, your backpack. When I am grown, I will keep you safe the way you keep me safe now. I will keep you safe from winds and hail and snow. When I am grown, I will keep watch over you. Every night you sing the song about the stars and moon. Every night you pat my head. Every night I climb under your quilt and crawl down, down, down by your warm feet and close my eyes and sleep every night. The end. Please subscribe.